Welcome po sa... today is our first night, opening night namin dito sa Palayan City Night Market. Ina-invite po namin kayong lahat para makikain po, mag-enjoy po yung mga events po namin dito, yung mga shows din, may konting shows din po kami, may konting pampakulo dito po sa Palayan City Market. Very, very welcome. We're excited to have you and excited to see everybody. Marami ko po nakikitang kaibigan ko galing po sa ibang bayan. And it's so nice to see. Maraming salamat po sa suporta sa amin. Fourth year in operation. Pero this year, 60th anniversary po ng Palayan City.
Yun.
Senior citizen na po yung Palayan City. Kaya, bongga po yung events namin.
Well,
Mga tourism events po during the tourism month, we had a few celebrations. These next few weekends, marami po kaming ginagayak na performances and events. Konting pampasaya lang po galing sa LGU Palayan. And of course, konting tulong din po sa aming vendors. And yun, for everybody is up. Yun na. So bago po sila pwede mag-join dito, nagsa-sanitation permit po sila, nagsasubmit po sila ng mga medical certificates. And syempre po, nag-iikot po yung aming team, palagi yung City Health Office, yung Ledepo Office, yung disaster, treasure, lahat po. For these next few months, very busy po yung aming departments to make sure that everybody is compliant with the regulations ng city. We have very similar activities from last year, including yung Mayor's Victory Cup, yung finals. Ngayon po, last year may under 25 under po kami. This year meron pong 13 under and 25 under, so two brackets. Trying to bring as many artists as we can for the enjoyment of everyone.
okay.
Ngayon po, medyo nagbawas po kami. 80 stalls na po kami ngayon compared to 100, around 100 last year. Nagbawas po kami to make space to make more space so mas komportable po yung mga bisita namin kasi medyo nahirapan po sila. Medyo diretso lang po yung aisle. So ngayon, naglagay kami ng space every 2 stalls para mas maluwag. lahat po ng gusto po pumunta, lahat ng mapaisahados, of course, yung ating minamahal na Palayana. And all those outside of Nueva Ecija po, dala po kayo sa aming night market. And we hope that you enjoy and have a really nice time.